Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill with AZ Property Inspections. We're here at my house again because we are having new HVAC systems installed today. It all boils down to this. When we had our system diagnosed, it needed a new reversing valve. This is a reversing valve. It costs the installer $150, $200 for the valve. But to install this, with changing the Freon out, it was going to cost me over $2,000. Most of that cost was because of the fact that they had to change out the Freon. Well, the Freon, they're barely making it anymore. It's R-22 Freon, and it's going away. And so hence the price has gone up, and now for even a small repair on something like this, now it's going to cost thousands of dollars. So now we have TSC Mechanical replacing both of our units, and as we go through, we'll show you how and why of the whole install here, to give you an idea of how expensive this whole process is, for sure. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.